What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am detailing another car again. I've been detailing cars for the entire week already, so today I'm not feeling that on point because having a little bit of flu. So yeah, as I was entering the premise and seeing the car, the first thing I saw was some deep fucking scratches. Check it out. That looks bad, guys. So anyways, the game plan for the car would be to do a full exterior decontamination first, and then after the decontamination I'll be doing a paint restoration. What I saw on the paint surface was lots of holograms, lots of finer scratches, not really the major kind of swirls because it's quite new, but it's more of the poor post-delivery kind of procedure that they created holograms on the surface. I think the scratches are caused by cats, or maybe like putting objects onto the paint that scratch up the paint, but I'll try to remove that later. But yeah, the car is covered in hologram damage, so yeah, that's the game plan for the car, to remove everything that's not supposed to be on the paint, then after that finish it off with a layer of coating. So stay tuned guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. Yo guys, so I'm done with the car and it's now 7 p.m. So from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and I'm fucking hungry because I didn't eat lunch. I was so focused into the car that I totally forgot to eat lunch, and then when I realized that I was hungry, it's already like 5. So instead of stopping for food, I actually continue to push on to finish the car. So now that the car is done, I'm gonna head home, and that would be the end of the day for me. So I hope you like the video. I hope you like the restoration and how glossy the Mercedes came out. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon.